Hey, y'all, it's your girl, Gigi Jones, and today I'm coming to you with a video about an app I've been using called BILLO, B-I-L-L-O. And this app is basically for content creators or for those people who don't mind making user-generated content. And you might say, well, what is user-generated content? UGC is content that is basically made by the user concerning a service or a product, right? Look at this video right here. This is an example of the UGC. Look at my fabulous Amazon find. Y'all, I am in love with this adorable Tea Forte caddy cup. It has a removable stainless steel infuser and lid. The floral design is so beautiful. But let me tell you, the best part for me is the lid. I love that I can place the infuser on it. It makes steeping tea mess-free. And honey, if you're a loose leaf tea drinker like me, you need this mug in your life today. You see it all the time, all over social media, right? So basically, what BILLO does is pays you to make the user-generated content for different brands. First of all, you sign up, you do a pitch video, you apply for certain products or for certain tasks, as they are called, and the brand chooses you. If the brand chooses you, then great, you get what's called a brief. And the brief will basically tell you about the brand. It's going to tell you how much the task is paying. And BILLO, I found that they will pay anywhere between $20 up to, I've seen $37.50 per task or per video that you would do. So in the brief, it tells you whether or not they want a full body, which basically means they want to see your face or your body, or hands only, right? And a lot of times it's already scripted, so they tell you exactly what to say and maybe what type of scene they would like. Once you complete the task, you will edit it, and you can use a editing software like CapCut or InShot, and then you submit it and you wait for approval. Once you're approved, sometimes you may have to do an edit on the video. I've had to do edits, especially, you know, my first few, because either I didn't read the brief properly, because they will also tell you that you need to shoot it in a ratio of 1:1, which I think is like Instagram and Facebook. And then there is 9:16, which is TikTok or Instagram Reels, and then 4:5 or 5:4, and then 16:9, right? 16:9 is definitely like your YouTube videos. Then you will get approved for the video, and then you will get paid. So it starts from $20, I've seen all the way up to $37.50 per ad. And the ads are 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. This is just for people who are starting out in this space, or you just need some extra cash and you don't mind being on camera or showing your hands or doing voiceovers and things of that nature for products. Now, I enjoy doing it, so it's pretty much like second nature to me. There's a lot of money that can be made with UGC. I am learning, honey. I am learning. So basically right now with BILLO, I am building up my portfolio with the videos or with the tasks that I have been doing for the different brands, right? So hey, follow my channel. It's going to be a playlist for UGC, because my channel, I do travel videos, food videos, things of that nature. So, you know, if you're here, you might as well check out some of the other stuff. But hey, if you're just here for the UGC, that's fine too, baby. But listen, this is a way for you to make some extra money. I've done 14 videos. Even if you're working, it's something that you can do in the evening or maybe on the weekends, maybe a video a day, if you have a full-time job. So like, look, like don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. The apps that you can use to edit your videos are really easy. There's plenty of videos on how to use them. Like, this is a whole new avenue for me. Although I am a content creator, I create content. Listen, UGC is right up my alley, simply because I love doing what I do. I love creating content. If this is something that you're interested in, I'm going to put the link down below and also my referral code. You have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.